Music with Mr. Eldred, even though he is not in the room. Music with Mr. Eldred. It's a video link, it's a little like Zoom. Yeah.
Good morning and welcome to what can only be described as the last singing assembly of the whole summer term. There have been 7 in all, and this is the magnificent 7th. And before we begin, we're going to warm up our voices in our traditional New in Tune way, and then all the songs that have been chosen today have been chosen by you in your bubbly bubbles. One was chosen while I was comparing a sports day event. People were shouting me requests over the field. Can we sing this in singing assembly? And so yes we can. So we're going to fill it with requests today, because I think a request is the way we do best. So first of all, sitting up nice and straight, getting ready to start, we sing a 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. Everywhere we go, people always ask us, who we are, where we come from, So we tell them, we're from Newington, a mighty Newington, ambition Newington, aspiration Newington, achievement Newington. If they cannot hear us, we sit nice and straight, with a smile on your face, the sort of smile that says 6 weeks holiday. We sing a little louder, sing a little prouder. We go oh oh, and hey and hey oh, and oh hey. The first song today has been chosen by Great Bears. We love great bears, we love great bears, we love really great bears. And Great Bears accosted me on the field the other day and said, can we sing What About the Poisson? What about the Poisson? And I thought, as it is the summer holiday, some of you might be even going to France and maybe trying out some basic French. So what a great idea to remind ourselves about some basic French words. In this song you will learn how to say hello to a man, bonjour monsieur, how to say hello to a lady, bonjour madame, how to say hello to a cat, bonjour le chat, and how to say hello to a dog, bonjour le chien. Is that the right way around? I can't remember. Anyway, it all makes sense in the song. And when we say, what about the poisson? You have to shout out, fish! Like that, like a big punk rocker haddock. So, here we go. It goes. Bonjour, monsieur. Bonjour, madame. Bonjour, le chat. Bonjour le chien. But what about the poisson? Fish. What about the poisson? Fish. What about the poisson? Fish. Don't forget the poisson. Fish. And do you say hello to a fish in France? Bonjour le poisson. That's the most important thing about the song. To get that snarl right, that big. Okay? So did you get the hang of that? Have you remembered how to say hello to a man and a lady and a cat and a dog and the
What about the poisson?
Yeah, the fish. So here we go. Here one more time. All the way through twice, and then we watch the video, the dancing too. Bonjour monsieur. Bonjour madame. Bonjour le chat. Bonjour le chien. But what about the poisson? Fish. What about the poisson? Fish. What about the poisson? Fish. Don't forget the poisson. Fish. And then we say hello to a fish in French. Bonjour le poisson. Huh. 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 Yeah, got that? One more time, and then we'll watch the video. You sing along properly with dancers and everything. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Bonjour, monsieur. Bonjour, madame. Bonjour, le chat. Bonjour, le chien. Well, what about the poisson? Hey, yeah, what about the poisson? Hey, what about the poisson? Hey, don't forget the poisson. Hey, I need to say hello to the fish in France. Bonjour, le poisson. Huh. 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 And now let's watch the video with the dancers as well.
Hello, or bonjour. In this brief educational film, you learn how to speak French and how to say hello to a man, to a lady, to a cat, to a dog,
Ew, what about fish?
and a fish.
Bonjour, monsieur. Bonjour, madame. Bonjour, le chat. Bonjour, le chien. But what about the poisson?
Fish!
What about the poisson?
Fish!
What about the poisson?
Fish!
Don't forget the poisson.
Fish!
How do you say hello to a fish in France? Bonjour, le poisson. Huh. Bonjour, monsieur. Bonjour, madame. Bonjour, le chat. Bonjour, le chien. But what about the poisson?
Fish!
What about the poisson?
Fish!
And what about the poisson?
Fish!
Don't forget the poisson.
Fish!
How do you say hello to a fish in France? Bonjour, le poisson. Huh. Our next request is popular, I think, with every child from nursery right the way up to year 6, and it is George Ezra's Shotgun. Now, we don't often have a chance to play pop songs in singing assemblies. I think we should do more of that, don't you? And this is particularly popular with you people in your bubbles, and I like to sing it out and enjoy it. It's a live acoustic version. I don't know if it's the proper chords even, but we get away with busking this one. Are you ready? It goes. Homegrown alligator, see you later. Gotta hit the road, gotta hit the road. Something changed in the atmosphere, the architecture seemed unfamiliar, and I can get used to this. And time flies by in the yellow and green, and you're around and you see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. South of the equator, see you later. Gotta hit the road, gotta hit the road. Deep sea diving round club, bikini bottoms and lager tops. I can get used to this. And time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. Ready? I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. Yeah, I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a song. We got 2 in the front, yeah, 2 in the back, yeah, sailing along, and we don't look back, back, back. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I've been. Well, I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I've been riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. On your own, ready? I'll be riding shotgun underneath the. One more time, and I'll be riding. Someone, 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 someone gives us a year round the balls. Woo-hoo! The only sad thing about the summer term is that we have to say goodbye to some people, and today we say goodbye to Miss Hughes and Miss Kramer and thank them for everything they've done and wish them all the very best. And I have to say goodbye to a couple of radio stars who have helped me out over the years doing music and basically entertaining you, and that's Mr. Broughton and Miss Goldsmith, who have brought their own personalities to the whole school, and we wish them very, very, very good luck for all their sort of new ventures, and I'm sure they'll keep in touch. But it's been an absolute joy. Let's remind ourselves of some of their musical highlights.
Mr. Broughton's maths puzzle, can you solve it? Can you solve it? Mr. Broughton's maths puzzle, can you solve it?
Going almost as fast as Miss Goldsmith.
Adios.
And Mr. Broughton and Miss Goldsmith did say to me, you know what would really make our day is if you could say goodbye to us in Chinese Mandarin. Chinese Mandarin, Mr. Broughton, Miss Goldsmith, for you, anything. So this little song called Zaijian, I know it's particularly popular amongst the younger years here. It's a lovely song and I hope you enjoy it. This is for all those people leaving. Wish them best of luck too. It's called Zaijian. It says, Zaijian, Zaijian, we got to leave again. Zaijian, Zaijian, we got to leave again. I don't know why I have to say goodbye. Zaijian, 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 we got to leave again. Zaijian, Zaijian, we got to leave again. I don't know why I have to say goodbye. Goodbye, Zaijian. Remember this? Sing it one more time, and then it finishes with a deep voice. You ready? Zaijian, Zaijian, I've got to leave again. Zaijian, Zaijian, I've got to leave again. I don't know why I have to say goodbye, Zaijian. Goodbye, Zaijian. Goodbye, Zaijian. Deep voice, you ready? Goodbye, Zaijian.
Did you know it's a summer holiday? Yippee! Did you know?
The next song is all about going on a summer holiday. It is summer holiday. We've been practicing the words for the last few weeks. We should be relatively confident with this one, as long as I can play it. Are you ready? Here we go. Summer holiday. Enjoy. We're all going on a summer holiday. No more working for a week or two. Fun and laughter on a summer holiday. No more worries for me or you. For a week or two. We're going when the sun shines brightly. We're going when the sea is blue. Woohoo! We're going where the sun shines brightly. We're going when the sea is blue. Oh, we've seen it in the movies. Now let's see if it's true. go where the sun shines brightly. Ready, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going where the sun shines brightly. We're going where the sea is blue. We've seen it in the movies. Now let's see if it's true. Ooh, 2, 3, 4. Everybody has a summer holiday. Do things they always wanted to. So we're going on a summer holiday to make your dreams come true. For me and you. For me and you. For me and you. Have yourself the very, very best summer holiday ever. Be happy, be safe, and I will see you in September. Have a great time.
Music with Mr. Eldred, even though he is not in the room. Music with Mr. Eldred, it's a video link, it's a little like Zoom.